Okay, new message from Max. These people are either incredible or insane. I can't figure out which. Just read some of these tour types. Creepers, they jump from space. Anyway, we should probably get this project finished and get paid before they all meet their untimely demises. Take a look at 004 tour type wireframe PNG and 005 tour types wireframe.png in your step folder. The data is in 006 tour types data.csv. Okay, let's take a look. So I'm going to open up the fourth step, tour type wireframe.png. So it looks like we have our basic header and sidebar here. We have our title, and then our content is a little bit more complicated here. We have requirements and a description, and it says guides should be able to edit the tour types that they created. All right, let's also take a look at step 5, which is tour types wireframe.png. So this one lists all the tour types. We have the title and a link, the body, the requirements, and then that repeats itself, and it says title should link to individual tour pages.